you pulled the trigger of this gun and it didn't fire.
Yeah. Like you expect that to be the end of it. You don't expect to have something like that go off and misfire. When you get into those dark places and those dark mindset, like it's such a battle to try and climb and like crawl your way out of it. Like everything feels miserable. There's times where I really like am able to get over and look past my football career failures, whatever it may be. And then there'll be a point in time where it'll just like can latch on to me and like won't let go. Probably more so than anything as I look back now, like an act of God, I have more of a purpose to be here and be in this earth.